there, welcome to the workshop and welcome to Sharkfin Cove, which is just a stunning spot on the Californian coastline, very close to Santa Cruz. And we had a great day there painting with 30 students. It was me, John Crump and Scott Hamill teaching a great bunch of people. And the weather was kind for us and we got some nice paintings out. So I wanted to share this spot with you and help you understand how to paint these big beautiful cliffs and the turbulent ocean, and also what can we do with a big blank beach. So those are a few of the things we're going to cover in this lesson. So let's see how we go. In this lesson you'll learn how to see large color movements within the darks, learn how to paint boldly with big shapes and avoid fussing over details. You can follow me step by step or use the resource photos to paint something that's more your own. I'll be using oils, but you could just as easily use acrylics to paint this. Either way, there is a lot to learn here, and I hope you enjoy the lesson. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work, and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. I suspect that if you've watched this video all the way to this point, then you're probably going to enjoy the lesson. So let's get started.